Hello everyone, this is Taraknath Goswami. Now the insect which is there in front of you is giant water bug. So it comes under the order Hemiptera and the suborder Heteroptera. Now why I am showing this insect, because this insect is having a very special and modified mouthparts which is known as piercing and sucking type of mouthparts. So in all the hemipteran insects we get this piercing and sucking type of mouthparts. But one thing I must tell you, that this piercing and sucking type of mouthparts is of two different types. One is bug type and another is mosquito type, because mosquitoes also have the same mechanism of feeding, that is piercing and sucking. So I'll be discussing this bug type here. Now as we know that these true bugs, they are having the opisthonathous type of insect head. That means the appendages of the mouthparts they are having, they are projected backward to the body. That means, also I have mentioned in the earlier class that when at rest, the proboscis along with the stylets, they take rest in between the four legs. Now let's see the proboscis as well as the stylets. So one thing I also want to share with you, that this, although this insect is original one, this is a preserved specimen, but for your clear understanding I have used the proboscis as well as the stylets as a model. So those are not the original. I have used the model for your clear understanding. So definitely, if we wish to see the proboscis as well as the stylets, we have to go to the ventral portion of the body of the insect. Now you are seeing a long proboscis. This is nothing but the modified labium which is grouped inside. And this modified labium, generally in case of Heteroptera, it is 1, 2, 3, 4 segmented. Now can we pull out the whole labium along with the stylets inside it? So I am pulling this out to see the stylets inside that. So I pulled out the whole labium, modified labium rather. Now can you see some fine thread-like structures? These are called as stylets. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have seen 4 stylets. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these stylets, they are the modification of one pair of mandibles and one pair of maxilla. So 2 mandibles are forming 2 stylets, as well as 2 maxillae also are forming 2 different stylets. So these stylets actually help the insect to pierce and suck the plant sap from the plants. Now what is the function of this modified labium here? So it is neither used in sucking, or it is neither used in, nor it is used in piercing. So the function of this modified labium or the proboscis is to protect these stylets. Okay. So now regarding the other appendages, regarding other primitive appendages, the insect is also having a very small and triangular flap like labrum, which actually protects the modified labium as well as the modified maxillae and mandibles. Now, in case of Diptera, in case of not all the Diptera, in case of mosquitoes, they belong to the order Diptera. So, in those cases, the the scenario is to some extent different. So, in case of female mosquitoes, they have 6 stylets. So, where from they have got originated? So, they are two are from two mandibles, two stylets from two mandibles, another two from two maxillae, and another two, one from the labrum epipharynx and another from the hypopharynx. So once again I am repeating that in case of female mosquitoes they are having 6 stylets. One is modified labrum epipharynx, one is from the modification of the hypopharynx, the other two pairs, one pair of maxillae and another pair is from pair is from the pair of mandibles. So thus they have got 6 stylets. So I hope that this modification which is there in case of bug as well as in case of mosquitoes is clear to all of you. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.